All-Star Music has some of the cheapest rooms on property. Let's go check one out. All right, folks, we have a fun one today. We are in 7433 at All-Star Music. Here's our room key. Here we go. All right. Right away, we step in. Lots of great features. Your thermostat, by the way, is hidden a little bit back over here. We have this really impressive little rack. Now that is a beverage cooler. That is not a refrigerator. It is not going to keep things cold. It's just going to keep it cool enough to enjoy. We have the smart TVs. They updated the room. And here's our bathroom area. Has a sliding door. We'll get to that in a second. Here is your first queen bed. And some people come into these rooms and say, where's the other bed? Because they see this. This, while set like a table right now, is actually a Murphy bed. All you have to do is pull the chairs out, get them out of the way, and this Murphy bed will drop right down on the floor by pulling on this handle. And I'm doing this by myself and have no problem getting that down and set up. And there is your second queen-sized bed with Huey, Dewey, and Louie dreaming away behind it. Very, very cute. Really enjoy that. And this bed is also easy to put back up. I just did that one-handed. And now the table is set up. Put your chairs back. Ta-da! One thing I will point out is that you do have some extra lights here above the bed. They turn on with these switches. Get a little bit extra light in here. Kind of nice. One more light switch over here. And it highlights our lovely All-Star Music art. A lot of these All-Star resorts kind of have very similar artwork and settings. You look over here, we do have a plug and USB ports and our Hello Disney. And then we do have some more of those over here on this counter, as well as there. And you do have even more right by your nightstand. So there are plenty of places to plug in your devices, as you can see right there. There's also space underneath the bed to put your luggage. Much appreciated. Lots of drawer space. In here you will have some extra pillows, your Bible, and your safe. And then you have drawers. Nice and spacious. They move very easily, actually. And then we'll head back to our coat rack. Hi! And we have a little hanging closet here with some hangers. And your ironing board and iron. Hair dryer. Does it come with a diffuser? Ooh, no, that's gonna be points against it, but Michelle will be okay. Tissues, some more storage. Towels and tissues. You have your bath soap right there. This mirror is actually huge. Like, I'm reaching up and I'm not able to reach up as high as the mirror goes. So that's pretty good. You do have your magnifying mirror. And then you have this bathroom with commode, shower, which the totally not H2O shower supplies. Nice rainfall shower and such. Now the really cool thing is that you can section this room off with this door right here. And nice soft closed door. And that's how it looks shut. And there you go. That's the room. Now I want to compare it real quick to an All-Star Movies room that my friend Carrie Hurd reviewed for you. Check it out.
Hello, we are at All-Star Movies in room 4921. This is part of the Dalmatian block. And let's go inside. So we are midway through our stay. We have the large queen bed. There is a drop-down Murphy bed. Facing the other side of the room, you have your window and a nice hutch for your coffee and ice bucket. There's also a small fridge down below. There is some type of, I guess this is laminate on the floor, followed by your TV and your, of course, standard things inside the hotel, like a safe and some pillows. Okay, moving on into the bathroom area, which is blocked off by a sliding door. There's actually another sliding door which will divide out the toilet and shower. You have 2 towel bars over here. Inside the shower, you have your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and then a little cubby. Inside, there is no place to really hang a washcloth if you do use one. The shower nozzle is annoying because it is a rainfall shower. So if you have longer hair, that has very little water pressure, and it's going to take you a minute to clear that out. Okay, you do have your towel bars, you have your iron. The ironing board is on the other side of this little coat closet thing that they put inside the bathroom with some coat hangers. So here's the room from the other side. So it is quite spacious, but we do not have the Murphy bed down. We've just been piling our stuff on top. And then you have your artwork. Woohoo.
So as you can see, those rooms are very, very similar over there at All-Star Movies. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was the All-Star Music Room. If you liked this tour, give it a thumbs up. If you have stayed in the All-Star event, All-Star rooms, and you would like to talk about it, leave a comment down below. And as always, we don't like to say goodbye because we're gonna see you real soon. So we say, see you bye.